If there's just one thing you should know about instructional AI videos for beginners, it's that creating effective AI-generated video isn't about finding the right tool, it's about making the right instructional decisions. In this workshop, you'll learn a practical, repeatable process for deciding when AI video is the right solution and when it isn't, and how to ensure every video supports learning outcomes rather than simply looking impressive. Using real-world case studies and hands-on activities, you'll practice evaluating video suitability, planning instructional videos, developing AI prompts, and reviewing AI-generated content for quality, accessibility, and learner impact. You'll leave with worksheets, checklists, and job aids that you can immediately apply on future projects, along with the confidence to explain and justify your AI decisions to stakeholders and clients. Whether you're completely new to AI or looking for a more structured approach, this workshop will help you create training videos that are intentional, effective, and learner-focused. We hope to see you soon in Instructional AI Videos for Beginners.